The dancing movie.
We have a lot of these in Florida.
Yeah, this is a courtship ritual. Couples get established, they will dance to each other, they will open the wings and whistle. Males whistle, females honk. So you will hear the That's something else, another call. That is the female calling him.
Stop spinning around.
But it's funny because there are two males and one is already dancing with her, but there are many males that are still alone. And they also want to find a mate. So even if they see a couple being established, they will try to also sneak there. So that would be a sneaky male. That's one of the categories of males for boobies. Oh my, there's a fight back there. Okay, he got the message, now he's leaving. So she's left now with the original mate that was dancing with her. They're going to establish on a spot. After mating, the female can lay 1 egg, 2 eggs, sometimes 3 eggs. And both parents, both male and female, they will try to take turns to incubate the eggs, look after the chicks, feed the youngsters, protect the nest. And this egalitarian couple will only stay together for a short season until the young one goes away when it's ready to go. Of course, when it turns not into an adult but into a juvenile that can make it by itself. So that is called a social monogamy versus exclusive monogamy, which is one couple, you know, for practice by most humans.
Most.
Maybe. Maybe most. Or maybe who knows anyway. But you have these birds, they're all doing this. Okay, now they